Hey guys, okay, here we are at the grapevines, and this is our first year I've actually been able to do something with it, because last fall and this spring I just trimmed back these like crazy because I wasn't sure exactly what they would do. I attempted in a very futile attempt to add some gates right here for them to grow on. They did a little bit, but if you can see, if you can pan the whole area, there's lots and lots of grapes that pretty much just crawled on the ground. But we harvested a lot of grapes yesterday, and they are delicious. They have seeds in them, but they are delicious. So we are currently going to make some jam out of them and some juice as well. But they are great, and it was very exciting to see them this year because it's something new for us, is to do jelly. So if God provides, we preserve, right? So let's take a walk. So right here we have our egg layer area, and they're in there now with lots of weeds. We're going to take a walk around the front. We have a little apple tree over here that we didn't even know it was ever going to do anything, and there are some apples on it, and they were very delicious. We've already picked them. Some of the yellow jackets have already started to eat some of those, so oh well. Let's walk around this front. So it's September, things are starting to die back, and we're getting ready for the winter. A homesteader's mind is always somewhere, always in the next season really. So we're kind of thinking, what do we need to do? Make sure you have enough wood, get all the harvest preserved before it spoils. We've got some great trees up here that really did a lot of good stuff that bloomed this year, and there's some tart cherries and some wild cherries. So we were really excited to see all that kind of good stuff show up on there. And you gotta stay close enough. I'm telling my cameraman, he's gotta stay close enough so you guys can hear me. So we're gonna walk down here. So down here, if you're wondering if we have teepees or some tents going on, those are our chicken tractors. So those are our meat birds right now. So we currently move them about 3 times a day. Well, I have the husband. The husband moves them. I don't do them unless I have to. So I give the credit to him. But they're over here. We move them 3 times a day so they can get fresh grass, fresh bugs, which is great for the diet. So let's go say hi to them. We have a couple more weeks, and then there'll be very big chicken nuggets. Say hi, guys. Yeah. Just some white broiler birds, and so that's our second round of doing them this year. So we're gonna go. The next video that we're gonna go do is a garden, and we're gonna talk about what worked, what didn't work, stuff I'm gonna do different next year, what things are looking like. So I'll see you at the next video.